Hey everybody, today we've got a 2021 Cadillac Escalade 600 and we're doing a BG transmission fluid flush on it. Well, on this one here, you have got to buy this special adapter for it. It is the E100-1561 GM truck thermostat transmission adapter, bolts in place of the thermostat. But I don't think this one actually has a thermostat. I think it just has a block that looks like that. And this one is also supposed to fit the 6L80E, the 6L90E, the L890E, and now we know it fits the 10L80 because that's what's in this Cadillac. Once I get it up in the air, I will show you what it looks like installed on the car. All right, now that we got it flushed, we had to get it up to like 158 degrees for the thermostat inside the transmission to flush. But you can see now my fluid's nice and clean. Let me show you that adapter. So what you do is you take the transmission cooler lines off. There is a 13mm headed bolt that goes through there. You take that off and then you bolt this plate up on there, and it's got the fittings for the BG flush machine. And you have to get it up to temperature. So now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take this thing off without burning ourselves on the catalytic converter, and then we have to bring it back up to 158 degrees. And then right here, this is the fill plug. We have to take this plug out, get the transmission up to 158 degrees, and make sure that this is trickling out. This is kind of the same transmissions as they have on the Fords, and the Fords have like a little dipstick on this side, but I don't see one on this. So if you have one of these 10L80s, the other adapters will fit on this one. Alrighty everybody, just a real quick one showing you how to flush a transmission on this Cadillac Escalade.